Hey everyone, welcome back to another trading video from SIC Forex. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic week, and in this video we'll take a closer look at some of the trading results generated by our Forex trading robots. So I'm currently running 6 different set files using 2 expert advisors on the FBS Real account. And the pairs that I'm currently trading is the AUD CAD, which I'm running one version of Black Dragon and one Dark Venus. NZD CAD, where I'm having one version of Dark Venus MT5 and again EA Black Dragon MT5, as well as AUD CAD Franc and CAD Franc, which are only running Dark Venus set files. Now, the set files that I am using are available for free, so make sure to check the description down below. So let's start off by looking at our actual results. So under our toolbox, you'll see that we are currently at a balance of $5,126.36, meaning we were able to generate a profit of $126.36 during the last 2 weeks of trading. And if we expand our results, we can take a closer look and see how busy both of the grid bots have been. And there has been a few modifications that I will be discussing, specifically when we entered large periods of drawdown. Now, for those of you that don't know, the bots use a grid style of trading, meaning when price goes against it, it continues to place orders in the same direction. Now, this could entail that you might have to hold an order for multiple days or even weeks, which can incur heavy swap fees. In total, so far, we have already paid $11.82 in fees, which is something important to take into consideration. So now, let's move on and take a look at the individual results and the modifications that I have made. So let's start off with the AUD CAD with our Black Dragon and Dark Venus trading it live. So the strategy is 100% automated. However, I have made some additions and changes as we were trading live in the market. Firstly, I want to show you the difference between a paid and a free expert advisor. So for a free expert advisor like Dark Venus, you will often see when the market moves against it, it just keeps taking sell trades until finally the market returned in our direction and it could close the whole grid. Now, opposite to that, you will see some grid bots start closing the first and the bottom order to move the grid in the direction of the market. Now, this could mean that you would either hold it for even longer, or in this case, where it took us out and we were able to close all of it in another profit. One problematic thing with a grid is when the market is trending against you strongly, like we had on the NZD CADs during the past few weeks of trading, I had to manually intervene and enter additional lots that were managed by EA Black Dragon until I could finally close off all of the grids. This means Dark Venus for NZD CAD is currently running in the negative. However, moving forward, we will take a look at the exact results of each of the set files using my verified MyFXBook account. So you'll see when the grid does go against you, it can really increase the amount of drawdown that the account experiences, and we'll take a look at the exact return and drawdown in a second. So moving forward, I will be hosting this live on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss any of my future videos. Next, let's go to the MyFXBook account and take a closer look at the trading results. So on my MyFXBook account, we can now take a look at the drawdown and individual returns of each of the set files that we have been trading live. And you'll see we are currently up at 2.29% or an absolute growth of 2.53 with a maximum drawdown of 5.32%, giving us that total profit of $126.36 that we have just looked at on MetaTrader. And overall, we can now look at the holding times, the periods, and of course, our win-loss rate out of the 60 trades that have been placed in total. And out of the 60 trades that have been placed, we have won a total of 67 of these, with our average win being 839 and our average loss 1046. And additional to this, we have traded a total of 1.81 lots. Now, what we can do under our custom analysis option is we can now look at the results of individual pairs, for example, where we are seeing the individual pairs and what their returns would look like. So you'll see currently equity growth of 2.29, and so far the AUD CAD at 1.61 is doing very, very well. You can then further analyze these results by selecting the specific magic number that you would like to look at. So you can see there it also has the option of showing you the manual trades that you place if you had to for your grid. And we'll start off with none other than number 9000. And if you select it and then press analyze, it will show you the individual percentage return for that set file. What I do in addition to my FX book is I like to use FX Blue because it gives you the exact return in dollars. So next, let's go to the My FX Blue verified system for this account. So one of the other tools that I like to use to analyze my trading accounts is FX Blue. And the reason for this is I can analyze according to specific magic numbers, and it provides us with additional information about the trading account. So you'll see all of the common statistics that we have already looked at are also displayed here. And additional to this, it will give you some more information that can be useful to analyze your trading system. And one of the main aspects that I like to use is analysis according to specific magic number. And under this, you can now also see which ones of the pairs have done very, very well and sort them according to their net profit. And you'll see the highest return is on the AUD CAD, which has currently made a total net profit of $66.49. Additional to this, under the Analyze and Symbol drop-down menu, you can also analyze according to magic number. And if we sort it again according to net profit, you'll see which of the grids have been the most profitable. And EA Black Dragon with the number 2000 and 3000 are right at the top. And then we have 9000, which is the AUD CAD set file for Dark Venus that we have made on the channel. Additionally, we'll also see that the AUD franc and CAD franc are also performing really well and have very healthy magic profit and factor numbers. So overall, the trading system is performing as it should, and I will keep you guys updated with all of the future results and other robots that we'll be testing live. So if you'd like to learn more about trading Forex robots live in the market, make sure to watch the following playlist. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.